copy and paste adult ads and make money online fast. All right. Now, how do you do this? This is how you do this. You go to like an adult spy tool. Okay. I should have an affiliate link down below in the description of this video or whatever, but it's an adult spy tool that allows me to be an affiliate for it. So I might as well promote it to you guys. Might as well. So if you want to support the channel or whatever, I don't really need the money, but it's a good thing that you need for this, okay? So you can basically see what's working for other people. What are the top campaigns and what are the longest running campaigns? And then you can see what's working. You can see their landing pages, their best ads, the offers they're promoting. And the quickest way to success, in my experience in life, making money is like copy success, model after success, you're gonna win. This is how you do it. This is how you make racks, okay? And so you basically just do your research using these spy tools, okay? And they'll show you like the top campaigns for different countries. It doesn't just have to be United States. You could basically convert your ads and the text and everything, convert it to other languages and promote offers outside your language, and you can crush it, okay? It's very possible. And that's really how it's done. You can make a lot of money doing this. You have to be consistent with this, and you don't have to have big budgets, especially if you do paid marketing outside of the United States. You can really, really crush it just doing paid marketing outside of the United States and do other countries. There's like almost no competition with adult marketing, but then there's even way less competition outside of like the main areas in the world, tier 1 countries, okay? Like there's a lot of money, okay?